Okay, today we are going to make a very nice Mexican dishes. So here we have the garlic is roasting, and we add some shrimp and smoked fish, and some crab meat. To this, I'm going to add some green tomatoes, this dish doesn't take like more than 5 minutes. We're going to cook all this together and couple green onions, this dish is very unique, different, and tasty, of course, because of the seafood and all the goodies in it. Have lots of nutrition benefits. Okay, these are frying a little bit. Okay, we have some dry shrimp here, and some paprika and oregano. And pepper. Like I told you before, this is very fast, easy, and yummy. Some tomato sauce and chili verde. This is almost ready. We're just gonna reduce the heat. Yeah, this way I'm going to show you that how you can make fast and easy, especially the Mexican and Chinese food. They are very tasty and easy to cook. So we have some fried bean. So we're going to a little bit heat it up here. And that's it. This is almost ready, so we're gonna dish it up now. This is fun. You can treat yourself different plates, different food. So, and then enjoy it. This is some cheese. And cactus. We're gonna heat it up a little bit. Yeah, it just starts to get in hot and melting the cheese. It's gonna serve with the tortilla or chips, with anything you want. Okay, this dish is ready to eat. As you see, the queso cheese is melted. It's very unique and different dishes. I hope you make it and enjoy it.